Greeting from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce our desktop menu Perfume bottle camping machine. As you can see, it's a menu one just press down and to do the job like this. And press it, press down, okay, and down like this. Okay, we have a size 13 millimeters, 15 millimeters, 17 millimeters, and 20 millimeters. When we are talking about the size, we are talking the size of here, the diameter of the bottle opening. Okay, so this machine, you can adjust the height of machine at least 2 buttons here, just according to the size of your bottle. And here, this machine, this is a very special design. You can just loosen this head here, loosen it. You can take it out and put the coloring like this. See? It's a durable use machine. We can both use for here and the coloring if you take off this part. So it's a very economic machine. You can use one machine for both of the heads here. When you get the machine, make sure you adjust the head just fit onto your cups like this. This part needs to be in the same line of the cupping head. You can adjust it like this to make sure both this must be eventually in the same line of the cupping head. Otherwise, you cannot work nicely.